Hello and welcome to this tutorial, especially for exchange students that are coming to study at Fontys University of Applied Sciences in the Netherlands. I'll show you today how to fill out your online application in Mobility Online. So what happened is that you got nominated by your own international office at Fontys University of Applied Sciences. Then the contact person from Fontys has sent you an email with a link to this application form. Okay, so if you don't know how to get into this form, go to your own international office and ask them if they nominated you at Fontys. Sorry, once you got the email with the link, this is the form that opens and I'll talk you through it. So at first we get to application details. You're an incoming student, and as you can see, this is already filled out for you, so there's nothing you have to do about this. You're an incoming student. You shouldn't change this. Study abroad at a partner university is perfectly fine. The academic year, you should check if that's correct. The start of the semester. So let's say you're going to start in fall 2015. Then you select the right semester. The number of semesters you intend to stay, 1 or 2. And is this stay an extension? And this is only for students that are already studying at Fontys and that want to stay for another semester. So in most cases, when this is your first application, just leave it on no. Okay? You can also read a small explanation right here. Then you fill out your personal details, so your family name, your given name as stated in your passport, your email address, and your same email address again. Make sure that we can reach you on this email address at all times. Okay? Your date of birth, place of birth, country of birth, your gender, and your nationality. Alright? Then you write down who your contact person is in case of emergencies. So this could be a family member or another friend or relative, okay, in case of emergency that we can contact. Then, this is a very important thing, your sending institution and current studies. If everything is going all right, your university is already in the system. So let's say you are from Bulgaria and your home institution is the American University in Bulgaria. You can also find your contact person here. If your contact person is not listed here, you can write it down here, so you can type in the details of the contact person in your university here. Okay? And then down here, you write down the number of academic years you completed. Right. Now, this is an interesting thing. The planned studies at Fontys. We would like to know for which exchange program you're applying. So this is already filled out for you. Then you're going to choose a school, and in case your university has a university-wide contract with Fontys, you do not have to choose for one school because it's a university-wide contract, so you can go to all Fontys schools. So in that case, you just leave it on no choice and you select the semester program / exchange program that you want to apply for. And that means you can choose from all the exchange programs that we offer. Quite a big list. But in some cases, your school, for instance, the Technical University of Sofia, if that is your university, they don't have a university-wide contract with Fontys, but they have a school contract with 2 of the Fontys schools. So they have a contract with the School of ICT and with the School of Engineering. In that case, you can only choose for the exchange programs that are offered by this school or by this school. So let's say you chose for an exchange program by the School of Engineering, and then you can see that you can only choose from the exchange programs that they offer. Okay, so remember that, and your international office knows this. So if your university has a university-wide contract with Fontys, it's okay to leave this on no choice. Okay? No problem whatsoever. It's also explained in here, but sometimes I still get questions about it, so that's why I told you. And then you're almost done. You fill out your language competence, and maybe you want to add a comment concerning your application. You can do that here. Okay, so what happens then is then you send your application, and then you have to notice that you will get an email back from Mobility Online to the email address you fill out here. Okay, so go to your mailbox, and if your email is not in there, please check your spam mailbox, because it has been sent by a no reply SOP email address. So your mailbox might recognize it as spam, but obviously it isn't. So please open it, and then you'll get a link, and that link will bring you back to Mobility Online. You have to select that link and go back to the system, because then you have to fill out some more details, and then you'll enter your workflow. And in your workflow, you'll be able to fill out documents and to complete a couple of steps in order to complete your application. So that's really important, because if you don't do that, Fontys will not be able to process your application, and they cannot decide whether or not you'll be accepted to the exchange program or not. Okay, so going to your mailbox and checking that email is very important. And that's all I had to tell you about the application. I wish you the best of luck, and if you have any difficulties with your application, you can always send an email to internationalstudents@fontys.nl. Okay, thank you so much, and we hope to all see you at Fontys very soon. Bye bye.